Shamli's Bake Creations. I'm sure you remember me from my previous videos. Today we are here at our very first outlet, that is Thane Talapalli, and this is our cubicle shop. See the beautiful view of the Talab, and we have a beautiful view of the Talab, and it's a cubicle shop which we have right across the Talab. You should come definitely. So I will show you all the cubicle products that we have in our store. We have some baked vada pav and some Italian calzones pizza. Yes, you heard it right. Baked vada pav is our specialty. And let's go inside the store to see what else we have. Welcome to our shop. As you can see, we have a range of desserts, pastries, cupcakes, beautiful snowflake cupcakes, especially for Christmas, and some cute little brownies as well. A lot of tea cakes, plum cake, date and walnut, tutti frutti. You can definitely come and visit us at Thane Talapalli. And we have our house specialty, that are the cookies. We have some nachni, that is ragi cookies, and some breakfast cookies. We had done a recipe of breakfast cookies, if I remember. Yes, they are on store as well. Some honey oats. There are also some breads that we keep. Everything is freshly baked. Our motto is to give you fresh, clean and really good bakery products, and that is exactly what we do here at Shamli's Bake Creations. So welcome to Shamli's Bake Creations, and thank you so much to Amul for giving us this opportunity to showcase us on this very special day of Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you, everyone. Merry Christmas here and abroad as well. Thank you so much. So, आज Christmas है, कुछ special recipe बनाएंगे, and that is going to be a Christmas brownie. You heard it right. We are going to make a Christmas brownie. We all love plum cakes, but it takes a lot of time to make. It requires a lot of pre-preparation. So I definitely can't show it to you in a very short time, but it's a quick recipe that I'm going to show you today, which you can make over the weekend as for your Christmas celebrations, and today also for your Christmas party. So let's get started with the recipe. And of course, we are going to use the very beautiful Amul products that we have. So we are going to use Amul Dahi and Amul butter. I'm going to use a salted butter, gives a very nice taste to the brownie. And of course, Amul's dark chocolate. Alright. So, before I get started with the recipe, I'm going to quickly sanitize my hands. Here at Shamli's Bake Creations, we make sure that all the precautions and measures are taken care of. So, let's get started. I'm so happy that because of Amul, I got a chance to showcase my new shop. We've been working on order basis for a very long time, and now finally we had a chance to open our store right here. So I will be really happy if all of you come and visit us and taste our lovely products. Back to the recipe. Beautiful bar of chocolate. Okay, so we are going to use this bar of chocolate to make our brownies. Use a really good quality chocolate when you are making brownies, because it is a taste of chocolate that actually makes your brownie taste better. And of course, we are going to use Amul's dark chocolate. So just cutting it into pieces, snapping with your hands. Alright. So the chocolate is in the bowl. I'll just run through with all the ingredients. We've tried our best to create a cute little setup in our space. Alright. So of course we are going to need some chocolate. Alright. This is 150 grams of dark chocolate. Then maida, 120 grams of maida. Caster sugar, that is 160 grams. Some curd, dahi, 60 grams. A little bit of milk, around 50 ml, alright. Baking powder, cocoa powder is 40 grams, some vanilla essence for flavoring, and I am going to use as their Christmas special brownies. This is our very secret Christmas spice mix. Has a lot of beautiful garam masala, different kinds of garam masala. So we are going to put this in the brownie. It gives a really warm, beautiful smell and taste to it. Alright. And some decorations to make them Christmas brownies. Alright. So let's get started. I'm going to first melt the chocolate along with the butter. A very handy recipe because you just open the Amul packs and directly put it in. 100 grams of butter, 150 grams of chocolate, okay. I'm going to melt this in the microwave, 30 seconds burst. We're going to wait for a minute till it melts all together. I hope all of you all have joined in, you have seen the recipe, and I'm also hoping that you've liked the shop. Do leave your comments below and also share your Christmas memories with us, because Amul has given us this opportunity on the Christmas day to share our recipe and our shop with you. So you also share your Christmas memories in the comments below. We would love to chat with you.
Raj Gopal is saying welcome, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yogini Lad is saying hello chef.
Hi.
Shilpi Srivastava is saying thank you ma'am.
Okay, just stirring this. The butter has melted. The chocolate still has to melt.
Monica Chavra is saying hello.
Hi.
Indira Mayur Nandan is a top fan. She's saying hello.
Hi. Okay. So the chocolate is melting. Meanwhile, this recipe is for a 7-inch tin. Alright. So I have taken a tin and I have lined it with butter paper inside so that the brownies come out clean. Yes, this is an eggless recipe. We are making an eggless brownie recipe. So everybody can enjoy the brownies without any fuss and fuss of egg and whatever it is. I'm pretty sure all of you all are intrigued that what is there in the spice powder. So I'm going to tell you what is there in the spice powder, because it's Christmas Day and this spice powder can be used for a lot of different things. So there are cinnamon, cloves and elaichi. Then there is some star anise, nutmeg, and also a little bit of black pepper and ginger in this. Has a beautiful aroma, and you can definitely use this in your cakes, your desserts, even for your roasts also you can use this. It's a really helpful product.
Shilpi Srivastava is saying ma'am, your shop is so lovely.
Thank you so much, Shilpi.
Indira is also saying shop is beautiful. Sarika is saying hello ma'am.
Hi. Alright. Yes. Could you show in
Yes.
close up so that they can see it? Okay. So now this is nice and warm. A good brownie is something that has a nice crust on the top and it's fudgy inside. So that is exactly what we are going to achieve with this. तो बटर और चॉकलेट को हमने साथ में मेल्ट कर लिया है, ठीक है? As I go on, I will again repeat the ingredients so that you all can make this today at home. 100 grams of butter and 150 grams of dark chocolate. And 150 grams of dark chocolate. Alright? And now, in this warm mixture, I am going to add 160 grams of caster sugar, and from spatula I'm going to turn to the whisk and also add 60 grams of curd in this. Alright, now with the whisk I'm just going to stir everything together. This trick of putting in the caster sugar in the chocolate and the curd, this is what creates a nice fudgy brownie. So just beat it well. Let the sugar slightly melt into the chocolate. Okay, we also add some vanilla essence for good fragrance. Yes. Whisk, whisk. And now we are going to add the dry ingredients. The maida, some cocoa powder, (120 grams of maida and 40 grams of cocoa powder, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, gently mix this. So we have used salted butter. Okay, तो सॉल्ट बिल्कुल मत डालिए आपके रेसिपी में. अगर आप अनसॉल्टेड बटर इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तो आप उसमें सॉल्ट यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड सम मिल्क, ओके. Shifting from the whisk to the spatula. Yes. Just gently mix everything together. Has a beautiful aroma of the dark chocolate. It's a 55% dark chocolate that I have used. Okay, and the batter is ready. I am going to transfer this in a tin. Just spread this. Okay, so this is all ready. Okay, so the batter is all ready, and as you can see, it's a very fudgy batter, so brownie is going to come out beautiful. We are going to put this for baking at 160 degrees for around 25 minutes. Alright, it's an eggless brownie recipe, so 160 degrees for around 20 to 25 minutes, and we need to cool this down completely before we use it again. So I'm going to put this batch for baking Meanwhile, I have another one already ready for you, which we are going to decorate. Right? Just now begins all the fun of decoration. Forgot to mention before, the maida which I had taken already had the spice powder mixed inside it. Alright? So मैंने ये रेसिपी के लिए अराउंड हाफ टी स्पून स्पाइस पाउडर डाला है, तो वो वार्म स्मेल और टेस्ट बहुत अच्छे से आएगा. तो ये अभी हमारी ब्राउनी रेडी है. एंड दिस इज सम वाइट चॉकलेट गनाश. ओके, 150 grams of white chocolate and 50 ml of cream, and I have made this ganache. ये थोड़ा थिक होना चाहिए, इसके लिए मैंने इसको प्री प्रिपेयर करके रखा है. And I'm going to add some green color to this. Okay. Nice, lovely Christmas tree green color. 30 seconds. Okay, beautiful green color. I have used a gel color. ठीक है, ये रेडी है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, एक पाइपिंग बैग लेंगे. And I'm putting a startup nozzle. Alright. And I'm going to fill the ganache in the piping bag. Okay, so we've put this in the piping bag. So अभी क्या करना है, I'm going to cut this in a triangle shape. All right. Okay, and I'm going to cut some triangles out of this. Don't worry about the scraps and bits. You can definitely eat them or put them in your delicious rum balls. Okay. And you can see it's a beautiful brownie, nice and fudgy. Right? ठीक है, so let's get decorating. You can definitely involve your kids in this. It's really interesting for them. तो ये पाइपिंग बैग में मैंने डाला है and I am going to okay. Meanwhile, I've melted some more chocolate over here. So now you can do a lot of things with the decoration. I have some nice sprinkles. So I am going to put some sprinkles. Right? And I have some stars. So I'm going to decorate them with the stars. Put some more here and there. Beautiful yellow, white. Lovely. And I've taken an ice cream stick, dip it in the melted chocolate. You must be wondering, we are doing the video in the shop. Yes, there are customers standing outside. So we are going to quickly finish this. Yes. Dipping this and putting it inside so that it stays well inside.
Black forest आणि कोणती आहे दुसऱ्या black forest ही black forest
We have black forest, Nutella chocolate, white forest truffle.
ठीक नटेला चॉकलेट पण चालेल
Okay.
हां तीन पाहिजे
Lovely.
तीन पाहिजे वेगवेगळ्या आणि डिफरंट चालेल ब्राउनी दे
Okay.
Okay. So, our beautiful brownies are all ready. If you can see. Nice fudgy Christmas brownies with the warm spices and a beautiful decoration. And once this sets, I'm not going to lift it up right now because it will break. Once the chocolate cools down completely, you can actually lift it like a candy and enjoy the brownies. Thank you so much for joining us today here at Shamli's Bake Creations in Thane. I'm pretty sure you've enjoyed our Christmas brownies recipe and you're going to try this today with your family and friends. And Merry Christmas to all of you, all the Amul viewers and everybody else. Merry Christmas. Hope you have a wonderful year ahead. And today, enjoy these lovely brownies and the rest of the videos that Amul has come up with you for. Thank you so much Amul for the beautiful opportunity that you gave us. आप सबका शुक्रिया हमारे आज हमारा वीडियो ज्वाइन करने के लिए और इस वीडियो को व्यू करने के लिए. And see you again for another video. Bye from me here at Shamli's Big Creations. Thank you.